I've went over to one of the other borders and this Veronica had multiplied something terrible. And where it is, it never really flourishes. It seems to just want to lean forward all the time because it doesn't really have much room and wants to reach for the sun. So I could do with some living plants in here before I plant my new bluegrass. And I thought of something a bit more green. I mean, they don't look the best, but I think they'll be fine. There's been a bit of caterpillar damage I've noticed. Oh, and there's an earwig, look. You see it? Ugh. Yuck. I've still got my wonky spade. Hopefully get a new one. I thought there was another one in the shed, but there isn't, so I need to just use this for now. Can't even rip them apart at all. But I'm going to rip this nasturtium out because I hate it. Trees are going. I don't know if it's because they're under the tree. They look terrible even before they've opened up. So take out my wee teepee that I made out of twigs. I think the time's come. I've grew echinacea. It's been a wee seedling and it's now fairly big, and I think I'm just going to put it in the ground and see what it does. Hopefully the slugs won't get it. Fingers crossed anyway. So. I'm trying to get things in that's going to stay, like perennials and like little evergreens. Like that bluegrass should be an evergreen. I'm not sure about the rhingium, I think that might die back. Hydrangea, that'll lose its leaves but stay. Also I've got the tree. I'm not sure about that little euonymus, and to be fair that hasn't done much, so I don't know if that might stay or go in the end, but we'll leave it for now. I want maybe just another Veronica. Maybe just in here. Because then what I'm going to do is put some bulbs in. I've sort of tidied out the border and moved things about to where I think I want them to be for a wee while. I'm excited to say I've got myself a new bulb planter today. I really wanted to get the one that was sort of higher up so I didn't have to do so much bending, but it was a bit pricey, so just got this one for now, and then hopefully next year I'll get the better one. I've got drumstick allium. I've just put 5 alliums in over here, like where I put the bluegrass and everything. And I've got these lilies of fritillaria. I wanted them since I seen them last year. I think I might just put some of these round the front bit. End up 5 centimetres deep and 5 centimetres apart. So the other ones I've got now is the Schubertii alliums. They're saying to be 15 to 20 centimetres deep. Part shade, full sun. It's quite shady in here, but when I do the flower, it doesn't really say, but I'll try a couple in here and see what they do. So I think I've finished planting all the bulbs in this area. I've planted some Schubertii, Purple Sensations, Fritillaria, some Narcissus. And there's a big slug, but that's going to get taken away and put over the fence just shortly. And I've also planted my bluegrass. How gorgeous is that? So eye-catching. And the Veronica that I've split. So I've got like 1, 2, 3 plants out of one. So that was really good. And I've got a honeysuckle still there, going up the tree. And this Vigella, I'm going to saw that down a bit so it's kind of like starting again. And my dad's wishing well. I need to give that a repaint or something because it's just going to keep rotting away. And the Eryngium or Eryngium or sea holly, I've moved that to the back. I just love this area. I find it so peaceful and quite woodland-like, which is my favourite kind of area. Excuse my washing line.